The CS307 team designed a model of mechatronics that studies airflow in the Fusion 360. This model consists of the following components. First, layout board on which all the elements are located. Second, mains cable for electricity supply. Third, cable duct for hiding wires. Fourth, fan and pipe that expels air under certain pressure. Fifth, a switch that turns the model on or off. Switch, Mod 4Do Industrial Expansion Model. The device has 4 digital outputs. Outputs are isolated from logic using optocouplers. This model is connected to the RS485 bus via a twisted pair cable. Communication using Modbus RTU or Modbus ASCII protocol. The use of a 32-bit processor with an ARM core provides fast data processing and fast communication. The rate of transmission to receive from 2400 to 150,200. From sensors that measure pressure and airflow rate. Sensor 1. The CDM8AI model allows you to measure voltage and current. The value is read via the RS485 bus Modbus protocol so that the model can be easily integrated with PLC, HMI or PC controllers with appropriate adapters. Sensor 2. Model 1TE allows you to measure temperature values using resistance thermometers PT100, Ni100, KTY81 410, and thermocouples type J, K, T, and SRB. The value is read via the RS485 bus Modbus protocol, so you can easily integrate the model with popular PLC, HMI, or PC controllers with appropriate adapters. Sensor 3. The ETH model is an innovative device that converts Modbus TCP, Modbus RTU as ASCII. The device has an Ethernet and RS485 interface, 4 digital inputs with counter, and 3 relay outputs. Up to 128 Modbus I/O modules from as far as Slim, Mini, Standard, and other manufacturers can be connected to the Mod ETH interface via the RS485 interface. The data collected by the RS485 is transmitted via the Ethernet interface, Modbus TCP. Slim series model can be easily connected to each other and to the Mod ETH model via quick connector. All you need to do is put the models and RS485 on the first model.